Hey, this is Dave Ing. I've got a 1998 Honda Accord EX. I'm in the junkyard. We're going to do the trunk latch today. You'll see it sitting on the trunk lid right here. The trick is that there's a piece of metal that goes from the lock core, like it's hanging down right now. You've got to release that off of. There's like a blue clip, and someone had dropped this lock core out already. But when you look at, the latch does attach to the back of that, so you can open it with your key. So we've got two 10mm bolts that are underneath here that you got to take out. I've got an inbound in the junkyard. What I do is that I pull off this plastic piece that is the release from the compartment that sits next to the driver's seat. So you wiggle it out. There's the piece of metal. Got to release that clip. And if you're taking out your old part, you can just rip this out, but I take it out carefully with like a little screwdriver. You go on each side of the plastic clip. This holds the electrical connector in place, and so I just push on either side of that, from this side, and it does release it. But so you just unplug it. So it's a 5-pin connector, and yeah, I hope that helps. Installation is the reverser removal. We'll see you next time. This is the one for the 98 to 2000. You'll see that I have a lavender clip and a red clip. It's a 5-pin connector. And the one for 2001, 2002 is this latch here. It's the same latch. It's just that they have a, the emergency release handle from the inside of the trunk in case you find yourself in there. Lavender clip, as well as the red one, 5-pin connector. And if you buy it from me, I'll have the mounting bolts. The LX and DX versions of the latch are here. I'll have links to the part numbers, and as well as a link to the video, a separate video for those